Thursday? Alright. We are on finishing up week 9. And so I talked a little bit about the payroll program. I told them, you know, check some data, make sure it works. We talked about if statements and, you know, using an if-else rather than repeating an if, so we don't have extra steps the code is running. We looked at how many cases, the cases problem. That one would have been, I think, assignment 4. Talked about checking it against 10. And he says one student did a great job of checking to see if it's less than half a case, in which case you get 0 back. Alright. So, programming logic, a few questions, arrays, assignment 8, tuples, and dictionaries. So, a bite of Python, read about that. Talk a little bit about assignments and group work. And then the next is the work the students did on the it's the work they did on the concert problem. Okay, and they did that in their groups. Okay, so they did their coding, and it's which group is which. Okay, this is another group's work, and here's another group's work. You can pause it and look it over if you want. That should be, you know, the indentings, but that's okay. You have another group's work, another one, and here's the last one. Okay, after the students got done doing, they actually wrote the code after they got done designing it here and talking about it. They wrote the code and then we checked the code. Some of them aren't quite complete yet, but we'll go back to those on Tuesday. Hopefully they have a chance to complete the code, or we'll have a little time on Tuesday to clean everything up and submit that. Alright, a couple things we talked about. We talked about making sure you get your programs. I looked at programs, assignments 1 through 4, and then they get a chance to get those squared away. And on Tuesday, I will have looked at, I guess it'd be 5 and 6, and maybe even 7. Okay. All right, and that's it.